Hi everyone, I am Dan Ocablamo and welcome to my course, Unity Navigation Fundamentals. I am a Unity developer and game designer at Prismic Studios, and I'm happy to get to show you how Unity's navigation system works. Unity includes a fantastic navigation system that makes crowd control easy. It's completely customizable and will allow for any kind of navigation you can imagine. This course is a complete introduction to every aspect of navigation in Unity, from baking your own nav meshes to sending agents out on patrol. Some of the major topics that we will cover include click-to-move navigation, auto-following, enemy AI, and the nav mesh building components. We will also be going through each component and each parameter of the navigation system, so you won't be left in the dark. By the end of this course, you'll know how to send nav mesh agents across nav meshes, how to put obstacles in their path, how to code basic artificial intelligence, and how to use the components of the navigation system to create your dream Unity game. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of Unity and writing basic C# code. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AI navigation in Unity with the Unity Navigation Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.